But there's still one thing that I would like to add, if we can come back there for 1 second. I think that the idea of getting involved in communities as soon as possible, being part of maybe 100 Days of Code, trying to build some small open source projects, these kind of things really help, because when you start and you're part of this, you kind of get exposed to so many other people. You can see how they are thinking. You can find out insightful advices that really make sense and that help you. And what I really value, as I said, I've held quite a few interviews, and when there were candidates that didn't have experience, right? What I really valued was that were those actual candidates that had put the effort into creating a project on themselves, maybe trying to contribute to a project on open source, right? To a GitHub repo. Maybe they tried to build something on their own. They had some sort of a blog or something. So I think that for all of those that are starting out, getting involved as soon as possible will be very, very useful on the long term.
Yeah, and putting out content. But we already mentioned that earlier, that this is important.